Ready to transform your news broadcasts with a captivating video intro that screams professionalism? Let's dive into Adobe After Effects and craft a dynamic news intro, step by step, perfect for grabbing your viewers' attention right from the start. First, open After Effects and begin a new project. This is where the magic begins. Step 1. Project Setup. Create a new composition for your intro. Set the width and height according to your broadcasting standards, typically 1920 by 1080 for HD. Choose a desirable frame rate, like 2997 frames per second, and set the duration. This will be your intro length, usually between 510 seconds. Now, add your news logo. Step 2. Logo integration and basic animation. Import your news logo. A clean, high-resolution version works best. Place it onto the timeline. Create a solid background layer underneath the logo. Consider a color palette that complements both your logo and news style. Create a layer for the news headline or broadcast name with the text tool and place it somewhere visible on your video. Step 3. Animation and effects. Let's add some movement. Animate your logo. Go to your logo layer in the timeline, select and animate the position, scale, or rotation properties. This offers a great starting point, using the keyframe tool to mark the beginning and end of the desired animation. In the animation property, you can use various effects to make it appear and fade in. Adjust the animation speed to your preference. Step 4. Enhancements. Add visual effects. Enhance the look of your intro using effects for the logo. Consider adding a glow effect using the Effect and Presets panel. This will make it pop for the background. Use effects like a gradient ramp or a subtle blur to create depth. Experiment until you achieve your desired look. Add a drop shadow to both text and logo for a more professional look. Step 5. Export and render. Once you are happy, it is time to render the intro. Go to Composition and select Add to Render Queue. Choose a suitable output format, like H.264. For easy use in your video editing software. Adjust quality settings as needed, then render your intro. And there you have it, a professional news intro created with basic techniques in Adobe After Effects. Experiment with other ideas and techniques to find your unique style. Remember to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more After Effects tutorials.